Mayajalam kaatna, Bhagavan irukana iduma. So when we look at something supernatural, don't be drawn by it. If you are not drawn by all the supernatural things, na bhagya namak. Buddhi kuduthirukana artham. Any magician will do it. Some people, naturally, they are not trapped by such things. Adala mahabhagya, samskara alaga irukana. Because when you are understanding the value of divinity, you are ready for a long journey. And trust Bhagavan's kripa and go. People who want shortcut, generally they get caught in all these things. Maya jal. In a white wall, you put a small black dot, keep gazing on that. Slowly your power of your mind, etc. becomes more. There is a power of that concentration. Is it divine? Zero divinity. In fact, it takes us retro from divinity. But you will have tremendous strength of mind. And all you can actually, now I don't know whether telekinesis, etc. is genuine, what they are showing or they are tricking. But with gazing, etc., you can get telekinetic powers. And with all these there are some mantras, nothing to do with divinity. Shipra Devata mantras. You see, some very lower level preyatam, bhutalam pidichu vechikalam, kutti chatanam pidichu vekalam. It will do a lot of things for you. There are some beings which are naturally like that. Adavadhu kutti chatana agala, like you are deva, kinnara, and the mari irukadhu siladhalam apdi irukam. Adu ennavo Bhagavanode vaichitriyam. You can catch hold of something and get all these things. There is something called Karna Pisasu. There is a mantra for that. Karna Pisasu mantra, if you manage to do japa for 48 days in a cremation ground, adukku mantra la irukku. That Karna Pisasu will tell everything about whoever comes in. Like I said, Facebook page mari. Ipalam Karna Pisase thevilla. Ellam theriyum. Nama enna saapradrom, eppo thoongurom, everything is there in Facebook. Adudha nama Karna Pisase nu nenikren. So here it will tell everything about us. Everything. And so when we can, sir, I went to that person, very divine, sir. Why? Oh, put it in there, sir. We put it in there, sir. And when I correct, sir, he knows my name, mother's name, father's name, grandfather's name. Very divine person, sir. I think he's Bhagavan himself, sir. Karna Pisasati Bhagavan Solama. Poor Manda Sumanda. Likewise, Maya Jalam. I'm just giving you an example. இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய people do na. இதுக்கெல்லாம் மந்திரம் இருக்கு. It may not be even all that. It can be a simple trickery. இதெல்லாம் மாட்டிக்காது. ஏன்னா தத்துவ விசார். You have to be clear. சிந்திக்க வேண்டும். பகவான் இருக்கான்னு all these are not proof. Bhagavan is there, sir. That's why he did something supernatural. Why? Even magician will do. So here our Swamiji says, be careful. Have some spiritual intelligence. So like we have physical intelligence. Now you have intellectual intelligence or IQ. And then you have emotional intelligence, EQ. Spiritual intelligence also we should know. And without spiritual intelligence, Allah well-read people I have seen in my own life, getting caught with charlatans. And I was thinking, you have done so much of work on this. Intelligent spiritual intelligence is separate. We know that. And spiritual intelligence is based on our bhagya. So here our Swamiji says, whatever limit we have, think about it. Sindhika. How can you establish divinity or God or existence of God, etc.? Maya Jalankati Maheshan Undalna. So here, that's not the way to prove. The way to actually experience Bhagavan is through three medias. Satyam, Dharmam, Vishwas.